Good. He's straight across the swamp right there. Thought I heard another one, but I'm not sure if it's the same bird or if he just turned. Hold on. He's not that far. He's on top of that hill. Because I cut over on them pines. Only trees that can roost in is on the edge of that swamp. But you know, it opens up just on the other side of these falling down trees. So we're going to need to get on the other side of this. Because I don't think he's going to come through here. I really don't. So either we can, because where he's at is usually where I try to cross the swamp.
Another just go. Was that a
Which one?
one?
Which one?
One just go. I couldn't tell where.
I don't think it was that one. Hold on. That one's hot. That one sounds like it's on the ground now. That bird's hot. He gobbled 3 times while we were walking just now. Hold on. Let me check his temperature one more time. Cut me off. We need to go this way in the oaks, get across the swamp, up on the, you know that flat to the right of the oaks? Yeah. Kind of need to get on that flat. That bird is hot, hot. He might fly across. He's coming. Come on. We gonna get back at these trees with just a little bit more cover. You wanna pick that big tree right there? I'll sit over just to your right a little bit. Oh, he's fired up. Can you shoot to your left? Huh? Okay, okay. As soon as you got a shot, you kill him. He's coming to my left. You can shoot him when you can and let me know right before you shoot him. He's right here on my left. Right in front of you. You see him? You see him? He's right here, right in front of me. See him? Shoot him before he gets in front of me now. Not yet, not yet. Not yet. Do you have a clear shot? Huh? Shoot him next time you got a clear shot. Shoot him. All right. Oh my God. What are you doing? Oh my God. What are you doing? Shoot him. Run to him.
Huh?
Run to him. You didn't get him.
Where'd he go?
He's right there in front of you. Shoot him again. You see him? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh man. What are you doing? Oh man. Oh my God. You ain't see him when he jumped up and fell right back down?
No.
He right up there. Just on the down slope of them pines. I seen the tail fan go behind the pine tree back there. Going to the left a little bit. Should be. Here I come in that open window on this road here in a minute. You see him?
I see left or right.
Straight down my gun barrel, but he's behind some trees. Just caught a piece of him.
To the right.
Huh?
Sounds like he's going to the right.
Sounds like he's walking straight up to us. I just can't see him. I got a shot of. What you got?
Nothing.
I ain't gonna wait too long. He's looking very hard. He's very close.
I got a shot coming, but nope.
You don't have a shot?
Ready?
I ain't got no shot, but if you got a shot and you confident.
No, he was moved.
I got a shot. You got a shot?
You ready to shoot too, though?
No,
I'm looking for his head. I can see his head right now.
See the very top of his head, but I ain't got a good shot. I got a shot enough to kill him.
He's just moving. Alright, ready? You still got a shot?
Nope. His head behind the tree. If you got a shot, kill him, but just please on my mama make it count. Good shot, old man. Now go get that bird. Kill outdoors. This is what we call redemption. I'm gonna give you the floor and let you speak.
Well, we got on the second bird this morning. I messed up big time. Unfortunately, my buddy over here, Alex, he did a great job of calling it in, and I just flat blew the shot. I've patterned the gun before. I don't know if it was the pattern, the shell. I have no clue. But as usual, we regrouped, started over again, you know, let all the sad part go away. I got through being chewed out by Alex over here, you know. The fun of a hunt. And
I thought he was done. Hold on, pause. All right, we're back.
So we regrouped, got up, was actually getting ready to leave, and we hit the call again. We'd been standing and talking for probably 10-15 minutes, and all of a sudden we heard a bird gobble. It took me. Of course, I fell in the creek, got soaking wet. No big deal. That's part of the hunting.
That's all right. You caught up.
we regrouped it up here. Like I said, after we heard the bird, before they figured out where he was at, we probably about 10 minutes, and he put on a show. He came in, and I mean, he was triple gobbling. He would cut us off if we used a call. He was hot. He wanted to come in. He was looking, and we saw him come out in the road, and of course, Alex is trying to get me a shot, and when I had a shot, he didn't have a shot. He had a shot, I didn't have one. So we were trying to back each other up just in case. We didn't want to have another missed bird. And he came in, and we estimated probably about 40 yards. Not really sure, haven't stepped it off for sure. But pulled the trigger, and he dropped right where he was at. He never flopped at the time. He's probably flopped now, though, but when he dropped, he dropped.
Showing that big.
That Mossberg 835. To me, it's a very good gun. I've got the stock choke in it. I didn't go out and spend a lot of money on a new choke. Everybody does. Sometimes the regular choke is just as good. And I was using the heavy shot, 3.5. It has worked in the past, and it definitely worked again.
Right on.
Thank you very much, Alex, for the
ain't no problem
with you. And
little redemption, old man. We get down sometimes. Hey, it ain't the first time. It ain't the first time it's happened. It might not be the last time it happened, but hey, we always regroup and make something happen.
I'll have to admit, though, Alex told me to run the first time. Needless to say, I definitely pulled a hamstring.
Hey, y'all, let's see it. Hey, look, how old are you?
I am, well, you might as well say 69. I'll be 69 in 2 months.
69 in 2 months. And old man, sometimes it get a little rough, but he keeps up, y'all. I try my best to slow down, and hey, we take our time, and it's the end result. Show him that beard.
For those of you that saw the video yesterday, that running and gunning, he definitely ran me to death.
Oh,
yes,
yeah.
I did catch up, though, before he shot.
That's a good build. What the spurs look like? Do you have good spurs?
Not much spurs.
No. A lot of these birds here don't really have real long spurs. An inch and 16. Not bad.
But it was a successful hunt.
Yes, indeed. Kill Outdoors. Another bird down. Great video. Y'all gonna see the bird this morning. Hey, that was a miss. We throw that out the window. Keep on going. We got him a bird. Now it's still, what time is it?
I'm not even sure what time.
Gotta be about what, 8 o'clock by now?
Breakfast, I think.
We're gonna see if we can get another one. This is the HS Strut Triple Trauma mouth call. 820. Triple Trauma mouth call. We're gonna get this bird out of here and see if we can get on something else. Keep the ball rolling. And if we don't get on nothing else, this video will end here. But as always, like, subscribe. Appreciate you.